Dear friends, this is a book I am gifting to Miss Vidisha on her successful completion of internship for the month of January 2025. She has contributed for writing advocate on record compilation of the question papers also. Further, she has made effective research on certain topics which I have assigned to her, and she has made keen observation while observing the Supreme Court proceedings. She has turned out to be one of the best interns in our January batch. So I wish her all the best. As a token of respect, as a token of acknowledging her dedication, I gift this book, the Supreme Court Rules 2013, with a request to Vidhi to read this rule book. So, yes, this is my presentation on your successful completion of
sir.
internship. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Please do applause. Yes, now I request our Vidhi Shaw to share her feedback, internship feedback.
So, I have interviewed for this internship in May 2024 only, for January 2025. I got to know him through LinkedIn. I was not aware that this internship will be this helpful to me, and I would not only learn inside only the things of internship, but also how the life takes you on roller coasters and how to handle things which are completely unexpected and adjust to the environment which not everywhere you will get. This internship has taught me like an internship can be a family also. Not only the work was immensely great. I have assisted in drafting SLP to research. The research skills which I have secured till now has been greatly enhanced in this internship previously, and the book compilation has always made me look forward to what more we can contribute to our profession. Thank you.
Thank you. Say something about AOR Aspirants Academy also. How is the lecture series, everything?
The AOR Aspirants Academy, I attended only 3 lectures so far, but it has been so helpful. And it's not just if you are preparing for AOR, it's going to be helpful. It's in general very helpful, and you'll have the knowledge which you might not get just by studying, because the sir has always explained things with his personal experience, and experience matters a lot than just theoretical knowledge.
Thank you so much, Vidhi, for your wonderful feedback. So we wish you all the best on behalf of all other interns as well as on behalf of senior associate. Would like to share few.
No, sir,
Please.
we wish
Yes,
we wish
please
our,
hold this. Yes.
and the Vidhi has been very helpful, very hardworking here, and we wish her all the success in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, I would like to call Mansa for the certificate.
Mansa, please come. No problem. Yeah. This is your internship certificate. You have successfully completed your 1 month internship, and this is the Supreme Court Rules 2013. This is a gift from our office with the condition that you must read and lead. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Stand here. Yeah. Just one. Yeah.
And I would like to call Stanley for the certificate.
Please. Stanley. 1 month certificate for Stanley, and you are the student coordinator also.
Yes, sir.
You did really well.
Thank you.
Yes.
Kerala people always. Exactly, sir.
This is the Supreme Court Rules 2013. Yes, from our side. Yes. Mansa, I request you to share your internship experience with us.
So first of all, I thank sir for giving me this opportunity for interning under him, and particularly I learned about the importance of preamble, then court proceedings, and drafting and assisting in drafting and researching on Article 136 of Indian Constitution. He also helped to know about the main issues and tell about the facts which the case is coming. So we had a clear background of which case is coming, and we'll observe the court proceeding more accurately. So thank you, sir, for having
Thank you, Mansha. Thank you so much. Now I request Stanley, please pause on this man. Stanley, you can also share your internship experience.
So first of all, thank you so much for electing me in, sir. Actually, I have a track record of 3 interviews to get into this internship. But so actually, it was a really great experience. Sir had taught a lot. We had a lot of research to do. We had filed petitions. We had helped him draft, and even I have a bonus of helping him with a book
Absolutely.
that is going to be released soon. So it was actually a great experience. We had a lot of there were ups and downs, but it was really good. And I thank you so much, sir, for the internship and the great experience. We will never forget it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So now I request our esteemed Shankar sir to bless them.
Dear friends, I had seen this both Mr. Stalin and Miss Mansa all the time that they spent in this place, litigants cafeteria, and working a lot. And I found both of them very energetic and studious, and they were working hard. And I think they must have learned a lot from this. I think AAA, this academy, and I wish that they both can grow and should grow and become a very good professional, legal professional in their life. I wish them good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nibble, you can share a few words. You can introduce yourself, man.
I am Advocate Nabil. I am a lawyer from Kerala. I regularly visit Supreme Court, and I am usually part of the Saravanaraja's internship team regularly. And I was like, last time we didn't have the space to conduct classes, and sir and the team had filed a representation for conducting the classes here, and I was also with them. And I'm unfortunately I couldn't be part of this team, but I'm fortunate that I am part of the ceremony, this final ceremony. Thank you.
Bless them.
And I wish all this, both of them, a great future ahead in litigation. Thank you.
Good. We'll ask our doctor to share a few words, please.
Hi, I'm Dr. Manish Das. It's great to see students from different parts of the country, from Christ University, coming all to Supreme Court and to get experience under P.V. Sir and preparing for their future. I wish them a great future ahead, and getting a good platform at Supreme Court is always an important thing, and this experience will really help them a lot, and I wish both of them best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I request our associate. You introduce yourself and then. Yeah.
Hi, I am Sufyan Firoz. Currently, I'm in third year of my practice, and I would like to congratulate both of the person, Stalin and Mansha, on their successful completion of the internship.
Thank you.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
Sir, Sanjay.
First of all, I congratulate Mansa and Stalin for completing your internship over here. At the same time, I congratulate you, Dr. Raja, for giving them a good internship training over here, not only in law, but also in morality, and also in other fields where they can be honest, their integrity can be great, and they can excel in life. I can only wish a very great success to both of you in your future endeavor. And whatever you have learned from Dr. Raja, keep it in your mind, use it in the future, so that we all, and not only we all the people of this fraternity, be proud of you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and dear interns. Today is the last day of your internship, but a new chapter in your life is beginning. And I would like to thank you for all your hard work and dedication that you have showed in this 1 month. And I would like to congratulate you and Mansa for completion of your 1 month internship with Dr. P.V. Saravanaраಜа sir. It will help you in every aspect of your life, and and in the last I will wish that you both will have a very bright future. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected senior associates, my fellow colleagues, and dear interns like Stanley, Mansa, Archana Maurya. First and foremost, I would like to record here what is the purpose of internship. The purpose of internship is whatever you study in college, you have to see what is really how it is being applied, how the law is being applied to the facts of the case, and how the Supreme Court judgments are interpreted, and how the justice is brought to the victims. So the real application of law is visible, and you can get the practice only through internship. So that is the purpose of internship. Number two, how they have joined our office. It is not something that they forward their CV and then immediately we admit them in our internship. That is not so. Because only when they are assigned with task, we can understand their sincerity, their punctuality, and their knowledge. Therefore, I have told them, I have assigned them the work. Firstly, the preamble to be recited by heart without seeing. And they should know the core meaning of the preamble. And I have shared one of my videos relating to supreme powers of the apex court. So I have asked them to watch those videos and I have asked them the questions. When they were cleared, when they answered all the questions, then only they were taken for internship. So only then they will feel this is not the internship that we have just came just like that by forwarding our CV, but we have worked for it, we have exhibited our knowledge, then only we have got this seat. After taking them into the internship, what is the next procedure? We will explain first the character building. You should be punctual, that time limit is given. Second thing is whether they are punctual or not, attendance is taken every day. And if we have 13 interns at a time, we have the student coordinator like Stanley, who exhibited extraordinary talent by collaborating and with cooperation. He has talked to every interns and he has assembled everyone, and he was always coordinating between me and the students. And then they were assigned with, say, drafting work, how to do the drafting. Before asking them to do the drafting work, I generally draft a petition in front of them and I'll ask them to learn how to do it. Thereafter, the assignments are given. Then court proceedings. Generally, the interns, they go and stand in the court, they merely watch it and then come back. But ours is an exceptional one where we ask the interns to maintain a notebook, and every day whenever they go and visit the court proceedings, they need to point out which court they visited, who are all the judges they were in the bench, and which item that they observed, and that has to be noted down. Even if they have not understood any of those matters, that should also be written. What is the purpose for writing all this? When you listen, it may not get registered in your mind. When you write, your entire focus will be on what you have understood, what you are writing. When you are continuously going to do for 1 month, you can understand the basic principles of law. That is the purpose. Third is research work. Any cases involves the question of law, substantial question of law, we ask them to make research and then they get similar judgments. So apart from that, we have also not only explained to them that you should be extraordinary one, we have set an example by creating or by founding Advocate on Record Aspirants Academy. What is the purpose of this academy? The purpose is, though we have already become an advocate on record, but still you need to guide the younger members to become a successful AOR. Therefore, we are not charging anything, but we take topics from the AOR syllabus and we deliver it on every Friday. Therefore, interns were there, all AOR aspirants are there. Therefore, they learn from what we deliver. And it is getting video recorded and we get it published in our YouTube channel, Dr.P.V.SARAVANARAJA-LAW Lights. Therefore, people, those who are not physically able to attend our seminar or lectures, from wherever they are, they can attend it, because the object is, the only one object is, we should dispel the darkness of ignorance and we should light the lamp of knowledge. That is the purpose, dear friends. And ultimately, we always recite the preamble. So I request every one of you to recite preamble along with me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
This is a small gift for you, Mehet, for completing your successful internship. This is for you, Afreen.
Thank you, sir.
Ranjit.
This is a small gift for you, Ranjit.
Pranjal bhai.
From sir side, this is a small gift from.
Thank you, sir.
Nishita.
This is a small gift.
Thank you, sir.
Aniket.
Yes, sir. Two lines. साथ में
इनको तो दे दो
वापस आ जाओ।
बात कभी नो नो मेरे
पहले मेरा नहीं है, पहले मेरे
टू लाइन्स
इनको दे दो जो बुक बना रहे हैं
अनिकेत विल स्पीक, फिर ऐसे ऐसे आके फिर ऐसे चला जाएगा। नेक्स्ट दिन माइक टू अनिकेत।
जाइए आप जाइए यही।
Good afternoon to everyone. This side Pranjal Pandey, last year LLB student from Invertis University. Today I am here to express my delight, grateful to P.V. Saravanaraja sir and all the senior advocates who assessed me throughout my internship and helped me a lot. It is a kind of guidance which every intern seeks from his seniors, from his mentor. And I would like to say that sir is not only the leader, he is a visionary leader and he is a great person who assist me, and it was a great pleasure to work under him. Thank you a lot, sir, and wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Good afternoon to everyone. This side Anket Pandey, PBA LLB first year student, Invertis University. Respected sir, to Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, and thank you sir. Today I stand before you not only to express my sincere gratitude but to acknowledge the profound impact you have had on my life and career. My mentor as guidance has been a guiding light, illuminating path forward even when the road and cement uncertain. Thank you for everything, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, this is a very special day for us as it is the birthday of our guide, our mentor, our guru, Dr. P.V. sir. So, we'll all pray for God for his long life, healthy, and prosperous life. We all are gathered here to celebrate the farewell ceremony of we interns of January batch. So, this is our last day, but this image of sir will never fade away from our heart. And apart from learning the code procedures and all the things, we were also the part of AOR lectures given by sir that will help our AOR examination as well as increasing our behavior also. So that is all efforts are possible due to the tireless efforts of sir, and I'll request sir in future to give me further such opportunities also. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Afreen Ali Khan, student of BA LLB third year from Invertis University, Bareilly. It is truly an honor to stand before you today and share my experience as an intern here under the guidance of Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir. First of all, I would like to say happy birthday to you, sir. This journey has been an incredible one, and I feel privileged to have this opportunity here. My experience taught me the importance of hard work and perseverance in legal profession. Each day brought new lessons and learnings. Throughout my internship, I got the chance to interact with great people. I made new friends here and made unforgettable memories here. Also, I witnessed how legal profession is a blend of hard work, dedication, and mutual respect. I also attended the AOR lectures, which are really helpful. This is such a great initiative by us, sir, to teach and help others to become AOR. But beyond academic and professional learnings, I loved and enjoyed every moment here. Last, I would like to say that overall, this was a great experience for me. For an intern, it was my first internship in 3 years. So, looking forward to experience similar opportunities in future. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mehak Fatima. I am a student of BLLB third year from Invertis University, Bareilly. As this is our last day of internship, I want to express my heartfelt and sincere gratitude to AOR Dr. Advocate P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting me as your intern, and also happy birthday, sir. Before joining this internship, I had several thoughts and questions about how the working environment or here will be. Although my experience here so far has been just enlightening and rewarding, I was able to witness court proceedings, enhance my research skills, as well as understand the significance of preamble and its values. Also, the regular feedback from sir on his assignment has also helped me not only intellectually but also personally. In this very short period of time, I tried my best to learn and observe as much as I could, not only from sir but from you all also. And thank you so much, everyone. And one of the biggest takeaways in this internship was sir's inspiration and dedication to just not only excel but to give back to my profession in meaningful ways. I hope I can keep I hope I can keep taking it forward. And I also wish all the best to Sir and his associates for the AOR Aspirants Academy. I hope we all keep growing and achieving more and more. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rishita Jha, second year BA LLB student from Lloyd Law College. Today, I am here to express my sincere gratitude to our mentor, guide, and our leader, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, for providing me with the golden opportunity to get interned under his esteemed guidance. During this internship, I have learned many things. This experience was not only limited with observing court proceedings, but it also imparted valuable life lessons and moral values. Sir personally guided each one of us in our task. He helped us to enhance our research skill, and he also encouraged to bring out the better versions of ourselves. Sir's patient and tolerant nature truly make him unique. And during this internship, I also had the privilege to witness the lectures delivered by sir at AOR Aspirants Academy. And I must say that these lectures are extremely helpful. Each and every topic delivered in the lecture are authentic, as Sir himself ensures a thorough research for the topic and does not for the topic. And I really learned and enjoyed this experience, and Sir's friendly demeanor made it easy for us to approach him, and it feels like family with him. And I would like to wish Sir a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I wish to congratulate the sir, the very happy birthday, sir, and I wish you live a long life and a happily life. So, I am Sarthak Mangla, BLLB fourth year, pursuing from Lloyd Law College, Greater Noida. As I conclude my internship under Advocate Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA, I want to take this opportunity to enriching the experience of our internship. The past few weeks are very grateful for us and for all of us. And in the past few weeks, we learned a lot of things like research things and drafting and watching the court proceedings and make a briefs of that. And these internships help us to make a case briefs and analyzes the documents of court cases. And this internship is a valuable experience, and I recommend all of us and outside the court and in our college that everyone should join once time in this internship. And as the team of our sir, the precious team and the experienced team, they helped us a lot, and they stepped together aside with us. And thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Salman Akhtar. I am third year learner at Inverness University pursuing BBLLB. Before I say few words, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Advocate on Record Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir, who accepted me as an intern. Under his guidance, sir, my experience is nothing but has been life-changing. I am third year learner and I am glad to have a part of this internship. Before this, I was learn about law, but after this internship, what is actual court proceedings, hearing, and I saw many things like drafting, legal issues, and many things. And I also improve my communication skills. So many things I got to know under your guidance, sir. In this internship, I meet many people like as Advocate Dikshit sir, Advocate Tekchand sir, Advocate Saket ma'am, Advocate Shankar sir, Advocate Aman Kumar Raizada sir, and also Advocate Vedant sir. So you gave us time, you thought every little things in details, and you gave us assignment and check in daily basis. So this is also improved me more. So at last, I wish to say happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody, my friends and interns. First of all, I wish Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA a very happy birthday to him. And today, the interns have completed successfully their classes, their course, their trainings, their court studying, drafting, all the things. So we wish him all the success in life. Thank you.
Good evening, dear friends. Today, although Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA is not available here physically, but I find him virtually available here. So, first of all, I wish my gratitude and happy birthday to Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA. And dear all friends, as today is the day when you are completing your internship, in spite of certain hardship, maybe that because you had to move around within a confined area, that is litigants cafeteria. So I think you had a little this thing difficulty might be you might have faced, but in spite of all these odds, you must have learned a lot of skills in this AO, AOR Aspirants Academy, which is being conducted for this internship training, and imparted this training to all of you. And finally, I wish you all very happy life, successful life, and may you become judges, may you become very good advocates. But remember that you should always remember 7 lamps of advocacy and try to inculcate those qualities within you. And also, lastly, about the preamble of the Constitution, because you have to excel in your life, professional life, that is a legal profession. And this, I'm going to say, this kind of preamble will always show you, preamble of the Constitution of India will show you always the right path to travel in your journey of your life. Okay, that's all. I wish you good luck.
Good evening, all of you. First of all, happy birthday, sir. And dear interns, all are very hardworking and very sincere. And I hope your future is very bright and successful life. You have a many legal matters and knowledge. You bright futures and successful life.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today, it's a great privilege and it's an honor that all of you have successfully completed your internship program, which is basically a first step for a person as a lawyer for entering into a profession. I hope that all of you enjoyed the profession of as an intern with the advocates, and I hope that many of you come to the profession as a litigator, because there are certain challenges which a litigator lawyer face in his life. So therefore, in the initial phase of a law practice, some students at the time when they are students, some law school students at the time, they think that initially they will have to work very hard. Obviously, in every profession you have to work very hard, but the day when you will start working hard in the profession, and if you like the profession, you will one day definitely going to touch the heights in this profession. And I hope all of you will succeed in your life. Some people will be in judiciary, some will be in other government services, and some will be joined as a litigator in this court only. Thank you so much, everyone. If you required any kind of help from me, you can take my contact number. I am practicing as a criminal trial court lawyer from past for 5 years, and you can contact me. And for Supreme Court, you know that Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA sir is the best person to guide you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations all of you for completion of your internship with Dr. Saravanaaraja. It is a lifelong lesson that you have learned from this 30-day internship. This will help you in your entire life. And A special message to sir. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, मेरा रह गया. Happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you.
Respected sir, Dr. P.V.SARAVANARAJA, my mentor. First of all, sir, I wish you a very happy birthday. And my dear interns, I want to give you one blessings with shloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which is कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचना मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भु संगोस्त कर्मणि. What does it mean? It means always believe in your work. Don't believe in your result. Don't focus on result. Always believe in your work. Your work is your duty and your duty is your beauty. So I wish you all the best. Congratulations. Thank you so much. With this, I want to conclude. I want to recite preamble. It is our everyday prayer. Please recite preamble with me. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give ourselves to this Constitution. Thank you so much.